Hi there. As you may know, Figma is a great modern tool for designing websites and mobile apps. You can download it and install it as an app, but you don't really have to because Figma works in your browser as well. So basically you can work from any device with just log in to your Figma account. To get Figma, just type in Google its name, open its official website, click here, get started for free. Click continue with Google if you have a Google account, your Google account. If you don't have your Google account, create one. Just pick up any of your Google account. In my case, this one. And that's it. Actually, you have it already. You have here just some steps to tell about yourself. You can skip here as much as you want, but some steps you will have to take. Fill this form and you're good to go. You can skip most of these steps and pick up this free plan. Also, here you can click. Here you can take a tour, and again, you don't really have to. If you wish, you can just click here and there to see how it works, create a new file here, and just watch some YouTube tutorials. And here you go. And here is the interface of your program. As you can see here, we are now logged in. This indicator shows you that you are logged in currently, and all the changes here will be available for you if you log in from another device. Good luck! See you!